Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Karnataka Bandh. Karnataka's demand diversion of Madai water at Kalsa Bandura. Goa Karnataka public transport affected. $157 hutments bulldozed at Baina for violating CRZ norms. Demolition under protection of 300 policemen. FC Goa fans crowd for tickets but few get lucky with season passes. Coach Zico reaches India, attends ISL Media Day in Mumbai. Third complaint against Rupesh Samant in sexual harassment case. Another girl comes forward. Accused applies for anticipatory bail. Hearing on Monday. And 2 more mining leases to be operational next week. Leases of VM Salgaonkar and Seza Goa. No need to worry about Goa Foundation plea, says CM. Now the news in detail. Karnataka's closed Karnataka on Saturday to mount pressure over government demanding Madai diversion in their favour. Karnatakas have resorted to pressure tactics as they have sensed defeat before the Madai tribunal. Most of the buses and taxi services were off-road in Karnataka. Passengers and commuters faced a lot of inconvenience. Karnataka-bound Kadambas were flying up to the border of the state. CM Parsekar said such bandh by Karnataka doesn't make any difference to Goa.
Karnataka was shut down on Saturday. Almost 900 Kannadiga organizations extended their support to the bandh. People hit the streets since Saturday morning to make the bandh successful. Kannadigas observed this bandh demanding diversion of Madai water in their favour at Kalsa Bandura. It was staged to pressurize union government. Kannadigas have learnt of probable defeat before the Madai tribunal and have resorted to pressure tactics. Chief Minister Parsekar says bandh will not affect Goa's prospect.
आज बळगाव बंद आसा मादय खातीर
तांचो लुकआउट तांचो प्रश्न
तांच्यांनी आपली आमची भाजी बिजी ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन
बरें न्ही आमकां भाजी बिजी बंद केली जाल्यार धंदो तांचो वयतलो आमकां 4 दीस भाजी ना मेळत पूण आमचे गोंयकार भाजी आनीक नेटान वाडयतले.
Most of the Goa-bound Karnataka buses were off-road. Even Goan buses plying to Karnataka were off-road. Karnataka-bound buses were plying at very few places. KDC chairman had claimed that Karwar-bound Kadamba buses were in operation, but none of these buses were seen on this route. All the buses were taking a halt at Pole checkpost.
As a Kadamba Transport Corporation, a buses off-road dolle. आमी लोकां लागून up to Mole drop करत काश्मीरान. Onward journey Hubli, Dharwad, Belgaum, ते सगळे रूट आज टेम्पररी हॉल्ट केले आणि आमचे कारवार बसी चालू आहे.
तुम्ही खंयच्यान येयला तुमी? पुना खंय वचपाक आशिल्ले? कारवार. आतां वचपाक बस ना तुमकां?
बस ना हांगच्यान हांगपर्यंत जाता.
हांगच्यान आतां फुडली गेटीर म्हळ्यार चलत वचपाचें? आतां तुमी खंय वचपाची? कारवार.
ऊबर कर्नाटक में बंद है?
नहीं नहीं
तुमको रोका किसने?
किसी ने नहीं रोका.
और गाड़ी है ऊपर आने वाला?
नहीं.
BJP says Goa will not tolerate Karnataka's hooliganism.
ते मागतात एमएके बसून आमी हे करूया म्हणून कितें तरी तोडगो काडुया कारण तांकांय खबर आसा की हो इश्यू आसा तो तेंच्या एगेन्स्ट वतलो म्हणून ताका लागून तेंच्यांनी एखादें केलें आसत पूण आमी ट्रिब्युनल कितें जो निर्णय दितलो तेजेर आमी बांदिल्ले आसतले. वाडयल्यो फोडल्यो आमी तेन्ना सांगलें जाल्यार वेळ पडल्यार आमी कायदो घेवपाक फाटीं फुडें रावचे ना. हे कर्नाटकाच्यो व्हेकल गोंयांत ज्यो येतात ताजे खातीर.
It is learned from the sources that former Karnataka CM Kumar Swamy is planning to meet Goa CM Lakshmikant Parsekar. Kumar Swamy bets for resolving the issue across the table, but Goa is not ready for such options. It is waiting for tribunal's final verdict. Bureau Report, Prudent.
157 illegal hutments were demolished in Baina on Saturday morning. These hutments were violating CRZ norms. Deputy Collector had served prior notices to these people on demolition. Around 300 policemen were present at the demolition site. Affected people are furious with the political leaders in Mormugao.
Displaced and hurt people in Baina are crying foul on the political leaders in Mormugao.
अरे तू घर मोड बदले त्यांना मोडन उडे रे रस्त्या नाल्या पुलिस सांग मरे फायर कर म्हणून लोकांकडे दोत किती दाखवू मार पालाय मरे हां अरे आम किती वाईट केलंय तुका वाईट किती केलंय तुन मात आमका मोडून उडयता रस्त्यावर उडयता आणि बाहेर बरे होयता घेऊन होयता न रे आरती करू आरती लोक आरती करतो ना शरम ने पकड केला असं पहिला क्यों लाया पकड केला हां सब लोग और डाल के क्या फायदा हमको कुछ फायदा मिला.
These hutments are demolished on the order of the GCZMA. However, during demolition, most of the huts were vacated by the occupants.
The GCZMA has issued the 157 order to demolish the structures. This order was issued on 4th September. The orders were duly served to the concerned parties on the 9th September. 15 days period was given to them. In spite of that, the parties have failed to demolish by themselves. Demolition is peaceful. There is no resistance because the parties, most of the structures were the vacant.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
FC Goa fans continue to queue for tickets on the second day of the ISL ticket sale, but not many were lucky to get season passes. Although FC Goa have not revealed the ticket sale figures, reports from Marga outlet claim that match day 1 tickets are sold out along with the season passes. Meanwhile, Coach Zico reached India on Saturday and represented FC Goa at the ISL Media Day in Mumbai, along with the marquee player Lucio and home ground star Romeo Fernandes.
After the frenzy of last season, FC Goa fans did not want to take a chance and crowded for season passes. But not many were lucky to lay their hands on them on the second day of ISL ticket sale in Madgaon.
अरे आता 50 tickets देखून दिल नाही रे याने काबार मु सांगताय म्हणे किती द्या वर्षी
तू होच गेम तिकीट काढ पहिला फर्स्ट गेम जे
फर्स्ट ने रे सीजन पास काढून येलो
सीजन पास काबार म्हणते
बात किती 50 देखून दिल नाही मरे आय थिंक समोर गेला इतले जण त्या बोतून दाडाई
काबार म्हणते सीजन पास काबार म्हणते
हां त्याच ने रे नाक झाला मध्ये गेले काल त्यो तिकीट काबार आज सीजन पास काबार
FC Goa is our favorite team, so we are here to support them. But if we don't have ticket, then how we can support? Sitting at home and we can support? No.
माक ते इम्पॉर्टंट आम तिकीट मेन असतो आणि ते इम्पॉर्टंट किती सांगतले तेंगा
We support Goa. That's the main reason. And football. All Goans love football. That's the reason we are here. Now I bought the expensive tickets which they don't have it. I don't know how it's all got over so fast within one day.
Meanwhile, FC Goa coach Zico returned from Zurich after his FIFA election-related work and represented the franchise at the Media Day event in Mumbai on Saturday. Marquee player Lucio and Goan ace Romeo Fernandes were also present. With Bureau Inputs, Savio Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.